In today's video, I am going to be doing this makeup look inspired by Elaine from The Love Witch. The Love Witch came out, I think, in like 2016. I've liked the movie. I've watched it a million times, but mainly for the look of it. It's a very giallo looking film, and it is shot on film, and let me find out who the director is, because she did everything. So it was directed by Anna Biller, and she chose all of the looks, she created all of the costumes by hand, she even made one of the rugs. It's wild. She's an amazing artist. Well, you can read up about it on Google. There's a lot to it, but I don't think it's a great movie, but the aesthetic of it is amazing. So I wanted to do this look inspired by it. And let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, and let's get to it. I am using NYX Ultimate Palette in Brights. This is a great palette because it has pretty much all of the colors that she uses in the movie, but I'm going in with this color right here. Firm brush. And just press that onto the lid. A little bit more on your brush. A little bit more, and just build up that color. And then, without dipping into the color anymore, start to bring it into your crease. That way it shears it out so that it gives you that crease color. Looks like you're using a different color, and you're keeping all of the pigment, the opacity, onto the lid. I always tap off the excess that I put on my brush, that way you don't get any fallout. One color, bam. With the Juvia's Place gel liner, I'll leave everything in the description box below. I'm going in with the Beauty Bakery brush, just a small angle brush, because I don't need it to be too perfect. I start on that middle part of the lash line, and I'm just pulling out. Like so. For my eye shape, I prefer this shape to a winged liner as opposed to flicking up. And then just line it up with the bottom lash line so that you don't have any space that's skin. Load up a little bit more on my brush and just make it nice and as thin as you can get it. And I like it with this look to be a little bit thicker as well on the inner corners. So not going from thinner to thicker. I want it to be a similar thickness straight across. If you raise your eyebrow, it makes it a lot easier, and if you're looking down into a mirror, your eyelid lies flat, so you don't have to worry about it transferring as you go. Close enough. I already did all of my skin because I have other videos that I'm pretty much doing the same thing, and just for timing purposes. And this look is more about, I just wanted to concentrate more on the eyes and lips. A small fluffy brush, I'm going in with Fenty palette. This is Moroccan Spice. I'm not sure if you can still get this, but I'm just using a warm brown. I like to have a little bit of a shadow, or a lot of a shadow, under my eyes because I naturally have dark circles, so if I get rid of that, it makes my eye look completely different. And I still want to look like me, so I just enhance it with that. Can't cover it, show it off. In the waterline, a cream or a white pencil. just to open up the eye. Curl your lash. Lash Paradise base. Good. Oh, cats. Essence Lash Princess. Still going strong. Top and bottom. I love these looks because it doesn't take a long time to achieve it. It's a statement, but it's not over the top. I think it's just really cool. And it makes me feel good wearing it throughout the day. And it's such an easy 60s look. For the lips, I already have my lips tattooed, but I do want to neutralize. She wears corally shades, but I want to neutralize it a little bit, so I'm going to go in with the KKW Beauty. I believe this is, yes, Nude 2. I just line my lip and then I smudge it so it's not too harsh, and it just kind of neutralizes whatever you're going to put on top of it or underneath it. This I just got, I don't know if I'm using it correctly, but it is Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint. I got it in the supermarket. But it's a really pretty balmy melon. And she wears more of a color of like a red-orange. But for everyday, for me, I kind of want to tone that down so that the focus is on the eyes. And then I find if you add a gloss, it just makes it look more natural. I don't know. That is the final look. Inspired by Elaine from The Love Witch. Let me know what you think down below if you like this look. She does more like lashes and everything like that, but I find if I'm just like going out for the day, going to work, I'm a tattoo artist, so I can wear whatever I want. I like this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks, bye.